In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Sony TV remote control in case it's not working as it's supposed to. So my trick is very easy to do. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started right away. So no matter how your Sony remote control is looking, there's so many models out there for smart TVs and not smart TV. This trick will work for you. So unplug your TV. This is the first step. Unplug it from the wall socket before starting. Then take your remote control and we're gonna remove the batteries that are inside. If these are older batteries, or if you think they don't have enough juice in them, replace them. You'll need to throw them away and get some new ones. Then after removing the batteries, turn around the remote, and again, no matter which model you have, the next step is to press each of these buttons at least 3 times very hard. This is the step that takes the most time. So what I mean by this is take the power button, start by it, press it 3 times very hard. Sometimes there's debris, dust, hair, dirt that can get stuck under a button, and if one of these buttons gets stuck, the whole remote control will not work. So this is why you need to press at least 3 times each button really hard. I know it may sound a bit stupid, but just do it. This is the #1 cause of a remote that is not working. It's because there's dirt or something trapped. So after doing each button, I won't do it in this video, but obviously you should do it with your remote control. Go ahead and put back the batteries. Close the lid, and now plug back your TV into the wall socket, and finally turn on your TV, but this time using the button that is located on the TV itself, not the one that is on your remote control. Usually TVs have a button under the screen. Sometimes it's on the back, so you need to find where yours is located, turn on your TV, and go ahead and test the remote control and check if every buttons are now working. Hopefully you solved your problem. Now, a quick way, if this didn't work for you, to know if your remote control is actually sending any signal to your TV is to take your smartphone, open the camera app on your smartphone, point the remote control towards the lens of your phone, and press every single button once. I know it's hard to see in this video, but usually, let me just point it towards this camera. You see, there's a red light that appears. This is the infrared sensor. You cannot see this with your naked eye. You absolutely need to use a camera to detect it. So do this for each buttons and make sure this sensor is lighting up every time you press the button. This way you know for sure that the remote control is working, and it's not the remote control the problem, it's actually the TV. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you have another trick on how to fix your remote control, please leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.